Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about optimizing your Ooredoo connection. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about, or just padding this video to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you the best VPNs for Ooredoo right now, and a few key things about each, so you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my full research document totally free and check it out for the rest of the year. No joke. Let's dive right in. Top 3 VPN services for Ooredoo and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Ooredoo. Why? It works seamlessly with Ooredoo's network. Super important. Speed, it's seriously one of the fastest I tested, with low ping, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and solid download-upload speeds, everything you need for a smooth Ooredoo experience. Features, it's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, name it, it's got it. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, plus support is top-notch. Logs, nope, they don't keep any. That's a fact. Encryption, top-tier encryption tech, hands down. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and pretty cheap for all the features. Negatives, only a 10-device limit. Second best for Ooredoo is IPVanish. Why? It's a no BS, straightforward VPN built for pure performance on networks like Ooredoo. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping, no lag spikes or packet loss, just smooth sailing. Features, all the essentials plus some extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, great to route just certain apps through the VPN or not. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there, usually cheaper than competitors but still delivers top-tier performance. Support's quick and helpful. Logs? No logs here. Their no-log policy has been independently audited. Encryption? AES 256, the best tech available. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy geeks nervous. Also, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for pure Ooredoo performance and solid value. Third best is private internet access, or PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed, very good. With so many servers, you'll always find a fast, uncrowded one nearby. Features, packed with goodies. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support, almost always the cheapest premium option. Support is solid and professional. Logs, no logs at all. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, top encryption tech, and it's customizable too. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't quite as polished as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, powerful. Best choice if you want a budget-friendly VPN with a massive network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Ooredoo: NordVPN, IPVanish, and private internet access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just because you like the logo, you'll be more than fine. They all work perfectly with Ooredoo. Quick recap. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Ooredoo, with a premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN for Ooredoo that gives you incredible bang for your buck. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a massive server network and advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.